Hey guys, this is Vess and welcome back to another Joy YouTuber. This time I am joining Graveyard Girl, aka Bunny. Guys, I freaking love this woman. She is amazing. I love her wittiness, her just weirdness. It just like really is awesome and is real. She's real like creative and artistic in her own way. And I had to show her off, show one of the ladies that I watch on YouTube. So she has millions of followers. I'm not even gonna say how much she has, but she has a lot. And yeah guys, lately she has changed up her style, and I guess she changed up her style because she did like a documentary type thing with Shane Dawson, and they were talking about like her channel and why it's dying and all that good stuff. And it was just showing another side of Bunny, like with her, her insecurities of like how she feels about her channel and how it went from doing it one way to another way. So she's expanding it and rebranding herself, and bringing out the stuff that she loves to do, which I am totally down for. I watched a lot of her new videos and I am absolutely in love with them. It takes her back to like old school, and it's really nice to watch, just her grow, and you just see that different side of her. Even like when she was talking about herself in like the videos before Shane Dawson even put out his video, she was just saying how she's growing and maturing and she's changing up, and she's just bringing back what she loves to do and stuff like that. Everybody's pretty much down with that, and she thanked all her alligators for it. All her her alligators. So when I was thinking about her and just thinking about her in general and how she is, she's the type of girl that likes makeup. She throw on a big t-shirt with some short shorts and just hangs around. Sometimes she does her hair, and she does her makeup, and she dresses up real pretty. I follow her on Instagram, so she has like weird shoes and stuff like that, and I want to like collaborate every single thing in here. So first thing was alligator with wings, so I drew the alligator with wings. The next thing was her tea, because she loves tea. Her slogan is sippy sippy, so you definitely put that in there. She loves curly or texturized hair that's like wavy and all over the place and big, so I decided to add that. She has these clips on her earrings, like sometimes she wears, it looks like bobby pins almost on her earrings, so I definitely added that. I gave her the big t-shirt with the short shorts, and I gave her some funky looking shoes. So I made it look like alligators almost, because she loves green, alligator green stuff, and that's her thing. Everybody knows that the alligator with wings is for her. The other thing that I added was the doll, which is like a creepy looking baby doll, and that's because she loves creepy looking things, or things that are connected to like people who have passed and they cherished it. She's like really a spiritualist in her own unique way, so I had to add that. I had to represent her in the way that she is. So yeah, I wanted, like, in my mind I was thinking like a moon shaped alligator with her just chilling and relaxing, and just the baby doll hanging off the side. Baby doll was the last minute, because the thing was, when I was looking at the line work, I was like, this is missing something, and then the baby doll popped in my head, because if you look at her videos and you look at the backgrounds, or you watch one of her videos where she's talking about her dolls, you can definitely get the sense that she holds all these dolls. She uses them, decorates with them and everything. So I had to represent the baby dolls, the broken looking weird baby dolls for her. And it was just amazing to go through that process. Now for her makeup choice, I did want to go with like a natural look and the red lipsticks. And the reason why I did red lipstick is because she wears red lipstick a lot, I noticed, and it looks really good on her, and it makes her eyes pop. So I did want to get that feel, you know, of that contrast between the red and the blue and how it's fighting each other. And it just brings it out and makes her face look more vibrant. So definitely something that, you know, was in my thoughts. And she did add that she used to call it skunk hair, where she add like pieces of black hair in her original color hair. And I added that too because she went back to it. So that was another awesome thing that I added. I went with a white t-shirt because initially what I was thinking was, you know, give her a graphic with like a skull on it and all that good stuff, because you know, she wears that from time to time. I was gonna go with one of those, what do you call that? It's like army what do you call that? It's like camouflage army clothing. So I was gonna give her like that type of, you know, texture on her shirt, but I didn't want her to, you know, clash with the alligator or like mesh with the alligator. So I was like, you know what, a white shirt with some dark short shorts will work with her. And it'll make her, you know, pop a lot more too, because her skin is fair. So definitely had to make sure I had that contrast, you know, just to make her pop as much as I can. She's a real, like, you know, outgoing person. I wanted to add that to this piece. I wanted to make sure that every single detail, you know, made her pop out and make her look as unique as possible, because that's who she is. And, you know, I wanted to embrace that because she's proud of it and everybody else who follows her is proud of it. Another thing that I did was I didn't make the wings look really wing-like. I made it more cartoony-ish. And that's because I was going for a cartoony feel, but with a real alligator. Like, he looks like a decent alligator. He or she, or whatever you want to call it. Is, you know, give it that real alligator look. So I definitely added that to the piece because, guys, her alligator, man. My sister, I showed this to my sister. My sister loved it because she also watches her. And she's the one who actually got me into watching Bunny. So it was like a really great experience to, you know, show her, and then she'd be like, Bess, that looks dope, you know, it should be a t-shirt and all that good stuff. I was like, I don't know about t-shirts, but I know it's a cool piece and it represents Bunny, and I hope that she sees it because she deserves it. She deserves everything her fans do for her, and I can honestly say I'm a fan. I didn't go anywhere. I didn't leave when, you know, anything. I don't know. People said that it died down, but, you know, I was watching all the, does this thing really work type stuff. And, you know, her testing out things. And I was there for most of that. And then even when she came out with her hair, you know, that thing where she had like a product and it had her like straightener and blower and all that good stuff. I was there for that, and her makeup kit. So I was there for all that. And yeah, definitely. I didn't even know that, you know, what everybody was saying was like, oh, it was dying down and all that stuff. I didn't know that was going on. Like, honestly speaking, it took Shane Dawson to really open my eyes to it, I guess. And even for hearing from her perspective and how she felt about it, like, she almost made me cry because I was like, oh my God, like, I will be your friend if you need friends. I'm really cool on that, man. But yeah, she deserves it all, man. She's an awesome person. So yeah, guys, definitely gave her as much personality as I can. I was gonna give her red nails, but I don't know about red nails because I remember hearing something about red nails and I don't know if it related to her. So I was like, you know what? Let me give her black nails and it'll match with her shorts and her headband thing. She usually has her hair in a ponytail when she wears this headband thing. But I thought it would be dope if her hair was down curly and she's like sitting on her alligator throne almost. On her alligator. And it looks like a throne. So yeah, definitely had that in mind when I was doing this. It looks really cool though. I love that little headpiece that she has. I added all the shades, highlights, everything that I can think about on this stuff. I wanted it to pop. Like, I really wanted it to look good. So definitely added, you know, just extraness to it and gave it as much as I can. I gave it my all, basically, for this piece. And I really enjoy making it. And I enjoy just, you know, I enjoy watching her videos and everything. So I definitely enjoy making this and like representing her squad, because I'm part of that squad. Like, I'm part of the post squad, but I'm part of that squad too. And yeah, just hooking her up, guys, hooking her up. So yeah, this is the skull decal that I was talking about. I did use a merger tool. Like, it's like a tool that you can like mesh it. So it's called mesh. Yeah, a mesh tool. And it's just to make it more for her shirt and like give her that, you know, bumpiness and all that good stuff that works. I also gave her highlights on the shirt and just, you know, gave her blushes because she does turn red here and there. So I wanted to give that red undertone. So after I was done with that and I, you know, added some whites and signed it, this is how it came out looking. And I think it came out looking rather well. So if you guys like this video, hit that like. And if you're new here and you're like, Vess, I like what you did here, go ahead and hit that subscribe and become a post. Become one of our family members. I continuously do things like this and much more. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I also stream Fridays, 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and Sundays at 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to chill out with the Post family, definitely come down with your jokes. Come hang out with us. We definitely have fun there. And I will hope to see you there. So again, guys, thank you for watching, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye-bye.